Slide 1. Partner Overview. Welcome to LAWNSNOWAPP.com. This partner overview is about one simple promise: helping lawn care, snow removal, and seasonal service companies build the business they meant to build. LAWNSNOWAPP is designed to help owners run the work, build the job, and keep customers in the loop without the usual clutter of scattered texts, missed details, and after-hours paperwork.
Slide 2.
Why did you start your business? Most owners did not start their business because they loved paperwork, chasing payments, or piecing systems together after the truck is parked. They started because they know how to deliver great service and wanted to build something of their own. LAWNSNOWAPP is built around that reality. The goal is not more admin. The goal is to remove friction so the business can feel more like the reason it was started.
Slide 3.
The real walls. For most companies, the work itself is not the hardest part. The real breakdown happens around the work. Customer requests get scattered, scheduling gets messy, crews are hard to track clearly, payments lag.
Communication gets repeated. LAWNSNOWAPP is built to organize those pressure points,
so the business works better around the actual service being delivered.
Slide 4.
Start simple. One of the advantages here is that the first step does not have to feel financially heavy. A partner can start without a large upfront software commitment. That means the system can be tested in live workflow while the business keeps moving.
Then, as the business grows and the value becomes obvious, the partner can step into stronger controls and better economics when the math makes sense.
Slide 5. Customer-funded value.
LAWNSNOWAPP
also gives partners a way to let the technology help pay for itself.
A small customer-facing
LSA fee can support a cleaner customer experience and a more sustainable operating model.
When enabled and appropriate, that fee can help offset the cost of the platform while the customer sees a more professional invoice and a cleaner payment experience.
Slide 6.
The shift. This is where the mindset shifts. Instead of viewing software only as an expense, the partner begins to see recurring small fees turn into meaningful offset. A single fee may look small, but repeated across active work, it can help support the system over time.
The platform begins to feel less like a burden, more like a smarter way to operate. Slide 7. Why it compounds. What matters here is not one invoice, it is the habit. A repeated fee across repeat invoices and active customers compounds. That means better tools do not have to sit on the owner's shoulders alone. The more active and organized the business becomes, the more the value of the system can reinforce itself. Slide 8. Starter, core, scale. LAWNSNOWAPP is built to grow with the partner rather than force a restart later. Starter gives smaller operators a low-risk way to begin. Core is the workhorse plan for active operators who need stronger control and cleaner day-to-day operations. Scale is designed for higher volume businesses that benefit from better per-stop economics. The key point is that the partner can grow inside one system instead of rebuilding later.
Slide 9. The sweet spot.
The strongest partner profile is a growing service company with real transaction volume, real operational pain, and enough maturity to value structure. They have enough jobs to feel the friction,
enough customer activity to appreciate better communication, and enough ambition to want the business to run cleaner core plan. Partners will often be the most natural sweet spot, but starter and scale each have a real place when the fit is honest.
Slide 10. Every feature has to earn its spot. This slide captures an important product philosophy. Every feature has to earn its spot.
If it does not save time, make money, or reduce stress, it does not belong in the way that keeps the focus on practical value instead of clutter. For partners, that means the platform is built around results, not feature decoration.
Slide 11. The toolbox.
Yes, there are many features,
but the point is not to overwhelm someone with a long list. The real point is what those tools remove from the owner's day.
LAWNSNOWAPP helps organize the business, helps crews execute the work, and helps the company collect more cleanly.
The feature list matters only because of the operational pressure
it takes away.
Slide 12.
Owner Command Center. The Owner Command Center gives the business one cleaner place to operate. Customers, properties, service, plans, requests, jobs, documents, reports, and daily priorities can be managed in one system. Instead of bouncing from memory to paper to text to accounting software, the owner gets a central operating view of what is moving, what is finished, and what still needs attention.
Slide 13, Customer Portal. From the customer side, a cleaner portal creates a more professional business. Customers can review work, submit requests, see invoices, and pay when payment processing is active. That reduces loose text, repeated questions, and invoice confusion. Just as importantly, it makes the company look more organized and more responsive.
Slide 14, Crew Portal.
For crews, the crew portal keeps the field focused on the work that needs to be done. Crews can see
Assignments, update job status, add notes, and complete jobs without needing access to the whole business.
system that creates cleaner accountability from the truck to the office while keeping the field experience practical. Slide 15.
Money billing.
And tax readiness.
Billing works best when the completed job,
The customer, the invoice, and the payment flow all stay connected.
LAWNSNOWAPP is designed to tighten that chain.
The result is faster payment,
Cleaner records and a better.
foundation for the financial and tax side of the business.
It is not just about sending an invoice. It is about connecting the money to the right work in the right way.
Slide 16.
Onboarding upload.
A new partner should not have to start from a blank screen.
A LAWNSNOWAPP includes onboarding upload and
Review, so existing business data can be brought into the system.
the goal is to begin with real customers.
Properties, services, jobs, and history. Instead of asking the owner to rebuild the business manually, that lowers friction and gets
Value moving sooner.
Slide 17.
Call to action.
The invitation is simple.
Create an account, test the workflow.
See what it feels like to move jobs, billing, requests, crews, and
Customer communication into one cleaner system. LAWNSNOWAPP is about helping service companies run the work, build the job, and keep customers in the loop.
if that sounds like the business.
You want to build? This is the next step.
LAWNSNOWAPP.com
is here to help you build the business you meant to build.
Run the work.
Build a job. Keep customers in the loop.